Imagine a YouTube channel with over 6 million subscribers and more than 1 billion views, pulling in over $50,000 just by telling scary stories. Sounds unbelievable, right? But this is the power of faceless YouTube automation, where you don't have to show your face and AI does most of the work for you. The horror niche is one of the most profitable on YouTube. People love spooky, suspenseful stories, and this creator has mastered the formula to keep audiences hooked. Every video gets millions of views, proving that there's a massive demand for this type of content. Today, I'm gonna break it all down for you. I'll show you step by step how to create a YouTube channel just like this, how to find viral horror story ideas, create engaging videos without showing your face, and create eye-catching thumbnail using free AI tools. So, if you're ready to turn your passion for horror into a successful YouTube channel, make sure you watch this video till the end. You don't want to miss a single step. Now let's get started. The first step is creating your YouTube channel. Head over to YouTube and click Create New Channel. Now you'll need a name for your channel. Instead of brainstorming for hours, let's make this easy with AI. Open ChatGPT and ask it to suggest creative channel name ideas for a horror-focused YouTube channel. In seconds, you'll get a list of unique and engaging names. Pick the one that stands out to you. Copy it and paste it into the channel name field on YouTube. Then do the same with the channel handle. Now let's craft a compelling channel description. Open ChatGPT again and ask it to generate a description based on your chosen channel name. In just a click, you'll have a professionally written description that perfectly captures the essence of your horror content. Copy it and paste it into the description section on YouTube. With that set up, it's time to create a channel logo. Open your browser and go to ideogram.ai. Click the plus icon to start a new creation. Set the style to realistic and change the aspect ratio to 1:1 for the perfect logo dimensions. Now go back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a detailed prompt for a horror-themed logo based on your channel's name. And ChatGPT will provide you with prompt which you can use to generate your logo. Copy the prompt, return to Ideogram, then paste it into the input box and click Generate. In few minutes, Ideogram will produce several logo designs. Browse through them. Pick the one that best fits your brand and download it to your device. Finally, go back to YouTube and upload your new logo. And just like that, your horror YouTube channel is officially set up and ready to go. Now that our YouTube channel is set up, it's time to move on to the most important part, which is creating engaging content that keeps viewers hooked and coming back for more. The first step is crafting a viral script, and the best way to do that is by copying what's already working in your niche. Now head over to a top-performing channel in the horror niche. Click on Videos, then sort by most popular. This will reveal the videos that have generated the most views and engagement. These are the ones that have already proven to attract massive audiences. Go through the list and select a video that stands out. Copy the video link. Next, open your browser and search for Tactic. Once on the website, paste the video link. Within seconds, it will generate a full transcript of the video. Copy the transcript and paste it into a notepad or document for easy access. We're not here to simply copy and paste someone else's work. Instead, we're going to use this transcript as inspiration to craft our own unique horror story script. And the best part? AI will do most of the work. To make this process even easier, I've put together a Google Doc filled with powerful prompts that will help you generate your own unique script effortlessly. You'll find the link to the Google Doc in the description below, so be sure to check it out. If you've made it this far in the video, take a second to hit the like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm push this video to more creators like you. Now let's get back to the video. Start by opening the Google Doc and copying the script prompt I've provided. This prompt has been carefully crafted to guide ChatGPT in generating a completely original and engaging horror script based on the structure of the transcript, while ensuring it's unique to your channel's style. Once you've copied the prompt, go to ChatGPT and paste it into the chat. After hitting Enter, ChatGPT will respond by asking for the transcript to work with. Open your notepad where you saved the transcript and copy half of it because the text will be too long for ChatGPT. Paste the transcript into ChatGPT and hit Enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will analyze the structure of the transcript and generate a brand new horror script specifically for your video. If the generated script feels too short, or if you want more details, simply ask ChatGPT to make the script longer. With our script ready, the next step is to bring it to life with a realistic AI voiceover. For this, we'll use 11 Labs. Go over to your browser and search for 11labs.io. Click Get Started and sign up if you don't already have an account. Once you're logged in, click on Instant Speech, which is where we'll generate the voiceover for our script. Now switch back to ChatGPT and copy the script we generated. Return to 11 Labs, then paste it into the text box. Click on Voices. Here you'll find a wide selection of AI-generated voices. Take your time to preview different voices to find one that perfectly matches the chilling and suspenseful tone of your horror story. Once you've chosen the perfect voice, click Generate Speech and 11 Labs will begin processing your script. Within moments, you'll have a high-quality professional voiceover. Now let's take a listen.
I'm in a situation I never imagined.
Wow, it sounds incredibly realistic now. Download it to your device. The next step is to bring the story to life with high-quality cinematic images. For this, we'll use Ideogram. Go over to your browser and search for ideogram.com. If you haven't already created an account, take a moment to sign up. Once inside, click on the plus icon to open the image creation interface. But before we start, it's important to adjust the settings to ensure the images are cinematic and visually striking. Set the style to realistic and change the aspect ratio to 16:9 so the images are perfectly formatted for YouTube videos. Next, we need detailed prompts to generate the right images. Now go to the Google Doc and copy the image prompt. Then head to ChatGPT. Paste the prompt into the chat and hit Enter. ChatGPT will generate detailed descriptions prompt for every scene in the script, ensuring that each image aligns perfectly with the storytelling. Copy the first prompt, then go back to Ideogram and paste it into the input box. Click Generate, and within a few moments, Ideogram will create multiple high-quality images based on the description. Now take your time to examine the generated images and select the one you prefer. Once you find the perfect image, download it to your device. Now repeat this process to generate the rest of your images. The next step is get background music to enhance our video. Instead of spending hours searching for copyright-free music, we'll create our own custom horror soundtrack using Suno. Go over to your browser and search for suno.com. Take a moment to create an account. Once logged in, click on the music icon to access the music creation interface, where we'll generate a custom soundtrack that perfectly complements the mood of our story. Since we're creating a background tune, we don't need lyrics, just the style of music. Now go over to ChatGPT and ask it to suggest a style of music to create a tune for this script. Then hit Enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will provide a recommendation. Once you have the suggested style, copy it and head back to Suno. Paste it into the prompt box, then give your track a title and click Create. Suno will then start generating a unique AI-composed soundtrack based on the style you provided. After a short wait, Suno will present you with 2 different music tracks tailored to your chosen style. Now take a moment to listen to both tracks. Once you've decided on the one you prefer, download the track to your device. Now that all the essential elements are in place, the last step is to bring everything together with editing. For this, we'll use CapCut. To get started, open CapCut, then click on New Project and import all the images we generated earlier. Once they are in the timeline, click on Aspect Ratio and adjust it to 16:9, ensuring that the video fits YouTube's standard widescreen format. This step is crucial to prevent any awkward cropping or black bars around the edges of the video. Next, import the AI-generated voiceover from 11 Labs. Now carefully listen to the entire track and cut out any unnecessary pauses or spaces in the voiceover. This will keep the narration smooth, maintaining a steady and engaging flow that holds the audience's attention. Be careful not to make any mistake on the cutout. Once the voiceover is refined, start syncing the visuals with the narration. The goal is to ensure that each image appears on screen at the right moment, aligning with the part of the story being told. Arrange the images in the timeline and adjust their duration so that they transition seamlessly from one scene to the next. Next, we add transitions to our clips. Click on Overlays and select the transition you prefer. Then click Apply to All to maintain consistency throughout the video. Next, we add effects to our clips. Click on Effects, then select Video Effects and search for the pendulum effect. This effect adds slight motion to the images. Adjust the settings to refine the effect. Set the twist to 0. Reduce the sharpen to 0. Then lower the intensity to 10. After that, drag this effect across the entire timeline to apply it consistently throughout the video. To further intensify the horror atmosphere, search for the vignette effect and apply it. This effect darkens the edges of the screen. Also drag the effect across the entire timeline. After that, also add the black noise effect and drag it throughout the timeline. These effects adds depth to the visuals, making them feel more dynamic rather than static and flat. With the visuals polished, next import the background music we created using Suno into the timeline and carefully adjust the volume so that it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Now we add captions to our video. Click on Text, then select Auto Captions and choose a caption style you prefer. Then click Generate, and CapCut will automatically create synchronized captions based on the voiceover. Once all the elements are in place, watch the video from start to finish to see if the video is well edited. If you are satisfied with the editing, click on Export, then increase the video resolution to 4K and download the video to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result.
I'm in a situation I never imagined, and I don't know what to do. A few months ago, my elderly neighbor, Mr. Holloway, passed away. He lived alone with no family, visiting, no friends stopping by, just him and his old Victorian house. It was the kind of house kids avoided, the kind that always seemed to have a shadow in the upstairs window. After his passing, the property was set for demolition.
Our video looks absolutely stunning. Now it's time to optimize it for maximum reach by crafting the perfect title, description, and eye-catching thumbnail to attract as many viewers as possible. The first step is to upload your video to your YouTube channel. Then we need to create a highly compelling title that grabs attention instantly. Open ChatGPT and ask it to create a click-worthy title based on your script. Within seconds, ChatGPT will provide the perfect title for your video. Copy the title, then head back to YouTube and paste it into the title field. Next, we need a detailed video description. Return to ChatGPT and ask it to give you the perfect video description for your script. Then ChatGPT will instantly provide a compelling description that not only explains what the video is about, but also improves SEO, increasing its chances of appearing in search results. Copy the description and paste it into the YouTube description field. To further boost visibility, adding more hashtags in the description make it easier for viewers to discover through searches and recommended videos. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to give you hashtags to make the video go viral. ChatGPT will provide a list of the most relevant and effective hashtags to help your video go viral. Copy the hashtags and paste them at the bottom of your video description. Now your video is fully optimized with a compelling title and SEO-friendly description. Next, we create eye-catching thumbnails that will grab attention instantly. Head over to Ideogram. Click on the plus icon to open the creation interface. Tweak the settings by change the style to realistic and set the aspect ratio to 16:9 to match YouTube's standard video format. Next, we need a powerful thumbnail prompt to generate the perfect image. Open the Google Doc and copy the thumbnail prompt, then paste it into ChatGPT. Insert your video title into the part of the prompt, then click Enter, and ChatGPT will provide a detailed, highly optimized prompt that will produce eye-catching and high-quality thumbnail. Copy the newly generated prompt and head back to Ideogram. Paste it into the prompt box and click Generate. In just a few moments, Ideogram will create multiple stunning thumbnail options based on your prompt. Now go through the generated images and choose the one that stands out the most. Once you've selected the best one, download it to your device. And there you have it. Your attention-grabbing thumbnail is ready to go. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe for more content like this. Have any questions? Drop them in the comment section.